make these beautiful lady paintings. So let's begin. To make this, here we have taken a round shaped cardboard. Firstly, we are going to cover its both sides with bukram. After this, I have traced three ladies on this, one seeing the side face, other the front, and other the right side. So firstly, we'll begin with painting this one. For the face, I am taking skin color. The skin color we get in the market is a darker shade, so I have mixed a little bit of white into it and also give some shading with the skin only. Then we are going to paint its lips with red. For the lotus, firstly I am going to give a base of white, and then like this I have given some shading. Then we are going to paint leaves, paint the base coat with green and give some shading with yellow. Paint its cloth, and for the background we are going to take all the background of the cardboard as black. So similarly make its jewelry. Using 3D outliner we are going to give more details. Similarly, here we have created the second one, and here is the third one. This all are ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Comment down below. And to make it more decorative, here I have taken this lace. We are going to attach it using Fevivon on its circumference, like this. So this is ready. Let's move ahead to our next DIY. This is a classic aesthetic painting. Again, here then I have taken a square shaped board. Cover it with bukram. On both sides we are going to cover it. Press it around for 30 seconds. Cover the edges like this. Then we have traced this design. I have already applied a layer of white paint first. Then we are going to fill the shapes with navy blue color. Paint like this, and similarly we are going to create the next one also. So this one is ready. I have applied some mirrors to make it decorative. We have attached a layer of bukram. On these we are going to firstly paint with black, light purple and yellow shade. Paint the whole and let it dry. On the purple one, we are going to make layers using POP. We have mixed blue acrylic color on it. Then we are going to sprinkle. So it has dried. For some more finishing, we are going to paint it with light blue shade. On the black ones, we have made wall putty dough. We are going to make swans on both the sides. After this, we are going to cut tissue paper in small pieces and using toothpick insert these to make its feathers like this. On both the ducks, make the feathers. On the next one also we are going to make a duck. Using wall putty dough, make its mouth also. Again we are going to make its feather using toothpick only. Make some green leaves on the top. Similarly, we have made ducks. On the yellow one, we have also attached a beak. Now we are going to make some more details on the wings. After this, here we are going to make lotus leaves. Paint the beak of the black one also, and paint the beak of these two with orange. Make the eye with black. We have painted pista shells using pink to make it as lotus. We are going to attach a rope like this. So these all are ready.